Welcome to the channel and thank you for joining us today as we explore one of the most groundbreaking developments in modern military aviation. The United States Air Force has officially embarked on an ambitious project worth $10 billion to begin the mass production of 145 B-21 Raider stealth bombers. This next-generation aircraft is designed to replace the aging fleets of the B-1 Lancer and the B-2 Spirit, bringing in advanced technologies that represent a massive leap forward in stealth, survivability, and precision strike capability. In this video we will take a closer look at the reviews, specifications, and features that make the B-21 Raider one of the most advanced bombers ever built. The B-21 Raider is a long-range strategic stealth bomber developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force. It has been carefully designed with the lessons learned from the B-2 Spirit while incorporating modern innovations in materials, avionics, and stealth shaping. Unlike older bombers, the Raider emphasizes survivability in heavily defended airspaces, allowing it to penetrate advanced anti-air systems and strike targets that would be unreachable for legacy aircraft. Its development is centered on providing the United States with a decisive advantage in future conflicts where stealth and precision will be crucial. When it comes to design, the B-21 Raider closely resembles the flying wing shape of the B-2 Spirit but with smoother contours and a refined aerodynamic profile. This design not only reduces radar cross-section but also improves efficiency in long-endurance missions. The airframe incorporates cutting-edge radar-absorbing materials that enhance stealth against even the most advanced detection systems. Unlike its predecessors, the B-21 is engineered with open architecture technology, allowing for easier upgrades and integration of future weapons, sensors, and defensive systems, ensuring that it will remain relevant for decades. Performance specifications remain highly classified, but defense analysts and Air Force insiders have revealed some important capabilities. The B-21 is expected to have intercontinental range, enabling it to fly missions globally without reliance on forward bases. Its payload capacity will allow it to carry both conventional and nuclear weapons, giving it a vital role in strategic deterrence. The aircraft will likely be able to carry precision-guided munitions, cruise missiles, and next-generation hypersonic weapons, further expanding its strike options. One of the key advantages of the Raider lies in its survivability. The aircraft has been built to operate in heavily contested environments where traditional bombers would be vulnerable. Its stealth design minimizes radar detection, while advanced electronic warfare systems give it an additional layer of defense. The Air Force has also emphasized the bomber's role in networked warfare, meaning the B-21 will be able to share information with other platforms such as satellites, fighters, and unmanned systems in real time. This capability transforms the bomber into more than just a strike aircraft but a vital part of a connected battle network. The cockpit and avionics of the B-21 have been designed with pilot efficiency in mind, integrating the latest digital systems and artificial intelligence-assisted controls. This will allow crews to manage complex missions with greater ease while maintaining high situational awareness. Importantly, the bomber has been designed to be optionally manned in the future, meaning it could operate as a drone for certain missions, reducing risks to aircrew in high-threat environments. Another significant aspect of the program is cost management. One of the main criticisms of the B-2 Spirit was its enormous expense, which limited the fleet to just 21 aircraft. Learning from that experience, the Air Force has prioritized affordability and maintainability in the B-21 design. By using modular components, open systems architecture, and more advanced manufacturing techniques, the goal is to produce 145 bombers at a sustainable cost while maintaining cutting-edge capabilities. This approach ensures that the B-21 can be built in sufficient numbers to have a real impact on global operations. The Raider program also reflects the strategic shift in United States defense priorities. With rising competition from near-peer adversaries, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region, the Air Force needs an aircraft that can project power across vast distances and survive in the face of modern integrated air defense systems. The B-21 is expected to be a cornerstone of that strategy, able to hold any target in the world at risk and provide credible deterrence through its stealth, range, and payload flexibility. Reviews from defense experts highlight that the Raider represents not only a technological advancement but also a cultural shift in how the Air Force approaches modernization. Instead of relying on incremental upgrades to legacy systems, the B-21 is designed from the ground up for 21st-century warfare. Its combination of stealth, precision, and adaptability ensures that it will remain a dominant force well into the future. The mass production of 145 B-21 Raiders marks one of the most ambitious bomber programs in modern history, ensuring that the United States Air Force maintains a decisive edge for decades to come. With its unmatched capabilities, this aircraft will not only replace older bombers but redefine strategic airpower for the modern age. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the B-21 Raider stealth bomber. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest developments in military aviation and defense technology, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update.